HP gaming desktop. I'm not sure what's wrong with this thing. Came here just saying,
it's freezing when I'm playing videos. I need it fixed.
let's take a look. First thing we're gonna do is just crack open the PC case with a T15 bit. I thought it was a 1660. Freezing with games. The first thing you like to do whenever you look at this type of thing is just look, see what's up. Just want to go take a look around. It looks fairly clean. An RX 5500 non-XT. We're working with an NVMe drive here. This is looking fairly clean. Well, I did spot a bit of dust and cobwebs, which is a bit concerning, but I'm going to put back that screw. It's not always recommended to take apart the computer right off the bat, but I kind of did just because I did hear something rolling around when I was bringing it inside. Alrighty, plug this thing in. Oh, this is the HP gaming ones, right? Yeah, HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop model, what? Model number TG01 2019. So, I don't know what that means. Why is the model number that long and that weird? This is not the first desktop we've seen on the channel. If you guys remember, we got the computer touched by the 13-year-old, which is currently my most popular video. And then we got, the $15 PC. Oh my god, it's running 4 FPS. This computer is running it at ultra 4 FPS. And then we got a $150 gaming computer. This thing is on an angle. I should be fine. Oh my god, this is at ultra. Let's try 1080p at ultra. 30 FPS. Ow, this is playable. Let's plug this in. Obviously, plugging in keyboard. Let's plug it right in. So, we're looking for freezing. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we're just gonna throw in some firmware. Alrighty, let's turn this baby on. Yo, green LED, what? Green LED, and we're booting. Yeah, green LED. That was fast. Oh.
I'll fuck you up!
Alright, let's go see if we can put the code in this thing. See what's going on. She says it's freezing within a game and watching a video. Again, that could just be a driver thing. I want to see what I'm working with, graphic-wise. RX 5500, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Driver date is November 27, 2024. That might need an update. Memory integrity is off. I'll turn that on. What I want to do, diagnostic flash drive. So I'm going to go run firmware. Just straight off the bat. Actually, no. Let's check hardware info. Let's check thermals. If it's a thermal related issue, that'd be a lot easier to diagnose. And if I'll see it right now. All right, let's see what we got here. Thermal wise, CPU is looking a bit cool, like 30 degrees, 42. It's at idle. It is a bit higher than usual, with a max of 50 degrees just straight off the bat on idle. GPU's fine with thermals. Let's see this now while in firmware. So I ran firmware previously before, and it's a GPU intensive stress test tool. I'm doing a GPU intensive one just because it seems more graphic oriented than CPU oriented, but if it is CPU oriented, I'm going to recommend that we change that thermal paste just as a preventative measure. We're going to go run artifact scanner, and we're going to be benchmark. We're doing 1080 firmware GL. Let's see. We average about 60 FPS 1080p, which is pretty much normal. I do see a bit of jittering, but it's at the point where it's like not really noticeable. I don't really see an issue. As you guys can tell, you just have 5 minutes, and there's no artifacts. There's no freezing. There's nothing. So we're just gonna open the AMD software. Completely up to date. Okay. Device manager. Let's see if I got any errors here. Nothing. Event viewer. See what's going on. Maybe there's something wrong with Windows. Somebody's not liking something. I mean, there's a Logitech update. That's literally it. I mean, we could do a Windows update, which is what I just got queued. Check the health of the drive. I mean, it's not healthy. 96%. It's fine. I kind of can't fix anything if I can't see the issue. Do more digging. I'm gonna go run Hitman Pro, see what's going up with this, and then from there we can kind of jump to stuff. Well. 1,800 traces. This is worse than the 13-year-old computer. Yeah, so we got some stuff here from like Slimware, which is not really a threat. It's more of just some random application she installed. Oh my goodness gracious. So that could also be slowing down the machine. I would expect it to. I'm going to come back. It's searching through all of OneDrive to see if there's any type of hidden files inside of her files. Okay, as you guys can tell, we just deleted everything. Obviously, except for OneDrive. We kind of fucking need that. So we're going to go do next. It's gonna tell us to reboot. There we go, we rebooted. We're gonna go change the startup apps so they're a little bit less, a lot. We're just gonna get rid of like HP system tray, like most of the bloatware, like Microsoft Teams does not need to be open. Microsoft Defender, obviously, yes. Microsoft Edge shouldn't be automatically open. UT Web, I'm guessing, is for uTorrent. We're gonna disable that. That's about it. So we're gonna give this thing a nice reboot. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go run some more programs like Adware Cleaner, which that's the one I'm gonna run right now because it's the fastest. So we really didn't find anything with Adware Cleaner, which is not really surprising because, as you guys can tell, in the top right-hand corner, she has Malwarebytes Premium. So we're not going to see anything from there, but, you know, that's good to know. Yeah, so that's about it. Nothing else to really do here. Okay. That's about it. So, guys, that's about it for today's video. I'm unfortunately unable to fix anything other than what we found, but I feel like that will terminate all the issues that we're going to be facing. Other than that, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. And also, I want to thank you guys so much for this recent support on the recent videos. It has completely exceeded my expectations. I do this for fun. I really appreciate what I've been seeing. Obviously, I read every single one of my comments, and every single one of my comments are looking very positive lately. And every negative comment always goes towards the channel in a great way. And I really want to thank you guys so much for the support and the understanding and the whole goal with this idea and YouTube channel thing that I'm just trying out. I started this YouTube channel about 10 years ago now, and it originally started to be about gaming and all this expert, 2020, humor. All that, memes. That's what it was really about. But then I really just got bored of it, and it got really bland really fast, especially for me. I wasn't really having as much fun as I am having about now. Something like this, with the support and the actual demand for a video like this, I feel like I'll be here for a while. I don't do these videos for money. As you guys can tell, my amazing 400 subscriber count. I can't even make money. I can't even make super chats. I don't do this for money. I do this for myself and for anyone else planning on learning how to work on computers and build computers. I do have a video planned where I build a computer, but I'm not done yet. I'm waiting until everything is to the T, and that video won't be out for a while. I want to thank you guys for watching again, and like I said before, I read all my comments, so if you guys have a comment, leave one below, and make sure to leave a like on the video. If you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and take it easy. See you guys next week.